Welcome once again to the QA Tech Bro Mentorship Program. In this mentorship series, I'll be addressing, some of the most common questions that were being raised during registration. So we asked candidates to share some of the challenges they're currently facing, which they did. Many which revolves around career transition, automation testing, and choosing the right career path. So I'll be taking time to respond to each questions and challenges with practical advice, giving reward insight based on my experience so far and to the best of my knowledge. And because I believe your journey deserves clarity and not confusion. And remember, guys, no limits, no excuse, just growth. So the first question I'll be taking is from Esther Dairo, and she mentioned there, I'm currently facing challenges in transitioning to a new role and staying up to date with industry trends. I'm also looking to expand my professional network and gain guidance from experienced mentors to overcome these obstacles and achieve my career goals. All right. So this Esther is facing challenges around, transitioning. Um, One thing I would say is transitioning is easy. Yes, it's easy, but you must be intentional about it. And again, be excited about subscribing to the demands because, yeah, you guys will keep hearing me talk about subscribing to the demands. So it's easy, but you must be intentional about what you want to do, what you want to transition into, and subscribe to the demands. So first, you need to decide what you want to transition into, and this will only happen when you do your research and then seek advice from professionals in that field or in those fields that you're considering. Then next is you need to acquire the basic skill to get started with. What I can say again is there are quite a lot of steps that you need to take. I have a video I did at the beginning of the mentorship program, breaking into tech, a roadmap for beginners. So I'm going to post the link to this video. It's on YouTube. I'll advise you watch, and it's going to really, help you, guide you in taking steps. Then, as regards expanding your professional network, it's a good thing, and you just have to take steps. Steps like attending tech events, webinars, connecting with tech professionals on LinkedIn, and so on. So this will also help you, expand your professional network, meet with people, have conversations, let them know what to do, and ask for advice and how you can keep scaling up.